So we're here at the Judge Stephen J. Herrera Judicial Building, the first judicial court in Santa Fe, New Mexico, family court. And there's a few of us here, but I want to talk to one gentleman right now, and his name is Philip Romero. Can you tell me, Mr. Romero, what does your sign say and why are you here?
My sign says, "I'm a veteran, not a criminal. Please give me back my time with my son." They are using my military service against me, trying to make me out to be a monster because I'm a combat veteran, and trying to say that I cannot be a parent because of my military service.
So now, is the judge aware that you are in counseling and you have through the VA? What happened there?
I have the vet center and the VA, both the psychologist, that have stated that my condition does not hinder me from being a parent, but due to my military service, my ex's attorney has reduced my time so much that in the court's eyes, I am now considered a visitor.
So they're considering you a visitor. How are you someone that just got involved in your son's life, or how long have you been involved in your child's life?
I've been involved in my son's life since day one. I've had him approximately 50-50 since he's been born. I've always taken care of him. I've always been there for him, and my time's being reduced to nothing.
Well, you know, when we were talking, you also told me that the opposing attorney, is also demanding that they take money from your disability, your veteran's disability. Now, we know that that's against the law. Tell me more about that.
The attorney, the opposing attorney, asked that I pay attorney's fees for my ex with my VA money, and the judge has allowed it. Judge Lamar has allowed this attorney to get my VA disability.
Now, can you explain a little bit on how that is against federal law for them to tap into your disability as a combat vet?
Under Title 38, it's protected from any debitor. It could be used as child support, but not for any other purpose.
Okay, so basically you've been in your son's life his entire life.
Yes, I have.
So how much time approximately have you had? I mean, you know, they do all these charts and try to figure out how involved you've been. So can you tell me more about that?
Before this court hearing, I was involved like about 49.6% of the time, and now I'm reduced to 125 days a year.
So how do you know that you were 49.6% of the time involved? How do you know that?
It was all calculated and figured out before we went to our court hearing.
Okay, that makes complete sense. So do you know of any other veterans that are also being abused and seems like discriminated against in family court?
Yes, pretty much any veteran that has seen combat is being discriminated against, and their military service is being used against them, and they're being forced to pay ridiculous amounts of child support when they've been in their kid's life the whole time because of their combat service to our country.
Thank you.